intro here then. Devil on his knee. Ain't no upper hand, no. He just like me. And I got the heavens on my brow. They say don't you sweat the little things as they come tumbling down. Dirty hands of a working man. It's blood thicker than water, depends what's in your glass. I got some dog in me, cold as my winter cold. Just as all my brothers, they taught me all I know. Alright, we got crowd participation, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Something like this. Sound great. I'm so tired, I'm so broke. I hate these hands that hold me. I hate when they don't. Keep going. I'm so tired, I'm so broke. I hate these hands that hold me. I hate when they don't. I know I'm expecting a lot of you, but can you add a clap? Something sweet, looks like me, tastes like sugar. Sugar likes my heat, it warms his soul, but he don't know. When they hit the filter tip, that's when I got to go, yeah. That when they hit the filter tip, that's when I got to go. Okay, I'm gonna slowly turn the knob down, and as I do that, I want everybody to make like a ooh sound. Thank you so much. I like that a lot because I don't know if that was like in response to me or like ghost sounds, and I like the ambiguity.